Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the trip planner option on the NJ Transit mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the Rider Tools button down below, which is the fourth option, and click on Trip Planner at the top of the screen. Select from these stations, then select your destination. Here you can set your travel date on this calendar, then tap on Done. Select Depart At, so you can set the time. You can add advanced options such as the travel time, max walk, maximum walk in miles, and then click on the plan trip button. So here you have the trip options. Click on a relevant one that you prefer, and here you have your trip details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.